Stainless steel fashion design. Transparent tank, 4 liters super capacity. With candle filter, ensure healthy water. Digital control, LED display. With different water volume and temperature selection, with intelligent child lock. Adding water by hand or with water purifier. First, press the child lock button about 3 to 5 seconds to open by finger. Temperature and volume setting indicator lights up, and choose your desired temperature and the right water volume. At last, press the confirm button. The desired water will flow out continuously from water spout. When you obtain desired water, press the confirm button. The appliance stop work at once. If you want to obtain water again, only repeat the above procedure. The appliance will stop work about 20 seconds after no operating. E7 fault display. If the appliance PCB panel shows E7 symbol, need pouring the water in the water tank immediately. After filling water, press lock button to open the unit, and then press confirm button to dispense water. Detecting boiling point at the initial use. First use of the appliance, abnormal big steam or flat water, please operate it in accordance photo text details. Overheating protection and reset function. When the device is only producing cold water, please press reset button by the reset key. Drainage stopper. Before using or after cleaning the appliance, please check the drainage stopper is loosened or not. Make sure it's fastened properly. Scale cleaning. To maintain the performance of the device, descale the appliance at least once a month. Please use a non-toxic detergent, such as acid. Add some citric acid into water as to 2% proportion. Operate the appliance about 2 or 3 times. The scale will be removed.